vlog about the water park here at the Holiday Inn Waterpark. So from the Swan and Dolphin, it was about a 2-mile drive. So if you look, we're at the pool now. We are in a far building, but we did pay way less. We are at building 4 and it didn't cost as much. But if you look behind us, they have slides. You have to be 40 inches to ride the top ones, 36 to ride the lower ones in general. And it says on the sign that if you're under 4, you have to wear a water diaper. Which my daughter's under 4 and she's not wearing a water diaper. See? See? I'm gonna give a room tour later, but I really can't say enough about the lifeguard here. They've been so funny. They've been knowing our kids' names, saying like, "Hey Bodhi, hey Lola." Now looking here, there's like the lower kid ones are tube slides, which is kind of scary at first if you have younger kids. But then there's this blue one here. It's like an open slide. They have a red one, a blue one. Up higher, they have this green one that's dark and then becomes open. There's a red one over on that side, same thing, and a blue one, but you have to be at least 40 inches. All the slides end without just the slide. There's no like falling into a pool of water. So if you look, it's just the water, like it's just water. There's also a pool here that's very, very warm, which is nice because the water slides are freezing. Adults can go down. And there's a kid playing game as well. Sorry, I'm not trying to get this girl. Sorry, little girl. Trying to get Bodhi coming down. Yeah! Bodhi! Hey, bud! Right there! Take her! My daughter. Oh! Here's one of the lower slides. There she goes again. Here comes Bodhi again. I think there's 4 slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slides. Just loving it. Let's see if Lola goes down. Go, Lola! Lola is currently like negotiating with the lifeguard. I'm not sure what's happening. Lola's up there. Yes! Yes! She's so proud of herself. Yay! You went down the blue one? Good! Yeah? This lifeguard is so cool. He keeps yelling Bodhi's name, and Bodhi keeps hugging him, because that's what they do. But look how high it goes. I don't know where they're going. Trying to. Oh, Bodhi's going. Oh, hold on. Too many. Here's Bodhi. Bodhi is loving this lifeguard. Where's Lola? Oh, I hope she came down. Sorry. No, I don't know where Lola went.